But of course, the handle's broken, it. We're gonna have to do something about that. No, kissing it better doesn't make it worse. Doesn't make it worse, it doesn't make it better. It just stays the same. So we'll use the plastic welding gun and zap it together. Come over here, have a closer look at this. Busted. You can see what we're going to do. Weld that and bit together, and the back. What we'll do is though, see if we can make it even stronger, taking the back plate off, doing something with the orange bit. No, that's not going to work either. It's a separate bit, and I can't get this plastic cap off. So, as usual, we're just going to do the best we can with what we've got. So I think we'll use the little swiggly, because I'll be able to get right in the lines there, and I'll get 2 on, or even 3 if needed. I doubt I will, because it'll be on the other side as well. See how well that holds up. Surprised it hasn't gone red. Oh, there we go, it's ready. Oh, there we go, it's red. We'll get it in before it's too late. Let go. See that? Mega hot. Oh, no. We'll put that back in, heat it back up. Oh God, too impatient. Tell you what we could do. I want to heat that up in there. I think I've knocked this one, like. So there you go, there's a secret. Don't hold it in too long. No, it's pants that, man. Pants. Bloody pants. Last one. We'll get that all nice and hot. There we go, it's turning red. I'm going to hold that still there this time. That's much better, that. Give it a little bit of a blow. It's Valentine's Day, you know. So it deserves a blow. That's much better. You get in here and have a look at that. As you can see, that's how it looks. That's the messy one. That was a slightly better one. What I don't have with this gun, you can get like an attachment that just smooths all the plastic over. That's it fixed. Woo! Pulling pretty hard there, like it's not coming apart. Obviously the only thing I need to do now is just trim these off, file them off. Do you want to see it? Hang around if you want to see it. If not, then get off my channel and go and see someone else. But don't forget to subscribe. That's what I need you to do. Or just watch. I like. Trimmy. I mean, do I trim them? I'll just bend them over like that for now. I think I'm just going to bend them over for now till that little piece comes to smooth them over. Let's call it the plastic butter, because that's what it's going to be like. Yes, the pointy and a little bit stabby. But who doesn't like stabby? So there we have it, the stabby stereo. Advertise it, buy it. Can't buy it from me, I don't know where you can buy it. You can make your own stabby radio. And if you've twizzled your knob to the right frequency, you'll be tuning in to Ricky Trash FM, Bolton Laughter. Don't kiss it, it doesn't make it better. Stabby radio, tune in. Richie Trash FM.